In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Sheets to your desktop. This is a simple way to make Google Sheets easier to access, especially if you use it often and want to open it quickly without first going through your browser bookmarks or typing in the website each time. Once the shortcut is created, you'll be able to launch it right from your desktop like any other app or saved link. To get started, open Google Sheets in your Chrome browser. Make sure you're on the Google Sheets page you want to access easily from your desktop. This gives Chrome the exact page it needs in order to create the shortcut correctly. Once you're on that page, move your attention to the top right corner of the Chrome browser window. There you'll see the three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click it. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find several browser options related to settings, tools, and sharing. After the menu opens, look for the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Hover your mouse over that option to expand the sub-menu. Don't click too quickly here, because hovering will reveal additional choices that are tucked inside this section. From that sub-menu, click Create Shortcut. This tells Chrome that you want to make a desktop shortcut for the page you currently have open. It's a quick feature, but it's very useful if you want faster access to web-based tools like Google Sheets. A small pop-up window will then appear with the title, Create a Shortcut to this page. In that window, click Create. Once you do that, Chrome will generate the shortcut for you. After the shortcut is created, you should be able to find it on your desktop. You can use it anytime to open Google Sheets more quickly. If you like keeping your workspace organized, you can also drag the shortcut to a specific place on your desktop, so it's easy to find later. One thing to keep in mind is that this shortcut works best if you regularly use Chrome, since the shortcut is being created directly through the Chrome browser. If you don't see the shortcut right away, give your desktop a quick refresh or minimize your windows to check for it. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Sheets to your desktop, making it much faster and more convenient to open whenever you need it.